Chapter 17. Copywriting for Sales, Landing Pages, and Funnels. In online business, your website isn't just a business card, it's a salesperson. And a salesperson is, first and foremost, a persuasive text. Sales copy for landing pages, ad campaigns, and sales funnels is the foundation that turns passive visitors into active clients. But writing such text requires a deep understanding of psychology, marketing, and copywriting skills. Artificial intelligence simplifies this process, making you not just the copywriter, but a conversion specialist. This chapter will show you how to use neural networks to create sales copy that will attract attention and prompt action. Landing pages. A landing page is a single-page website whose goal is to sell one product or service. Every element, from the headline to the button, must work toward this goal. AI helps create text that guides the client from the first interaction to the purchase. How to use AI to create text for a landing page. First, creating a catchy headline. The headline is the first thing a visitor sees. It must immediately explain what you offer and what problem you solve. Prompt. You are an e-commerce copywriter. Come up with 10 options for a catchy headline for a landing page about my services for creating product descriptions with AI. The headline should promise increased sales and save time for online store owners. Second, describing the problem. Show the client that you understand the problems they face. Prompt. Write text that describes the problem of online store owners facing the routine of creating product descriptions and email newsletters. The text should evoke empathy and show that I understand their difficulties. Third, describing the solution and benefits. Explain how your product solves the problem and what benefits the client receives. Prompt. Write text that describes my AI-powered SMM services as the ideal solution for the problem of a lack of time and budget. Describe 5 key benefits that a small business owner will get. Fourth, the call to action, CTA. The button is the final chord. The text on it should be clear and motivating. Prompt. Come up with 5 options for the CTA button text on the landing page. The text should be short, motivating, and emphasize a benefit. With these prompts, you can create a complete sales-driven landing page in a single day. Sales funnels. A sales funnel is a step-by-step strategy that guides a client from their first interaction with your product to repeat purchases. It consists of several stages, at each of which the client receives specific content. AI helps create persuasive text for each stage of the funnel, turning it into an effective sales machine. How to use AI to create a sales funnel. First, creating a lead magnet. A lead magnet is free, useful content, for example, a guide or checklist that you offer a client in exchange for their email. Prompt. You are a marketer. Come up with 5 ideas for a lead magnet for a blog about cryptocurrencies. The lead magnet should be useful for beginners and motivate them to subscribe to the newsletter. Second, a series of funnel emails. After the client downloads the lead magnet, you send them a series of emails that gradually introduce them to your product and lead them to a purchase. Prompt. Write 3 emails for a sales funnel. The client downloaded the lead magnet, a guide to investing in cryptocurrency. The first email should thank them for downloading. The second should provide even more useful information. The third should introduce them to our online trading course and offer them to buy it. Third, creating a sales video. Video is a powerful sales tool. With AI, you can quickly create a script for a video that will persuade the client. Prompt. Write a script for a short sales video up to 2 minutes about the trading course. The script should include an introduction, a main section, and a strong call to action. Optimization and testing. The most important thing in a sales funnel is constant testing and optimization. A/B testing. With AI, you can quickly create different versions of headlines, text, and calls to action for your emails and landing pages. This allows you to determine what works best and constantly improve your metrics. Data analysis. AI can analyze data on where clients encounter difficulties in the funnel and suggest solutions to fix the situation. Monetization. By mastering the skills of creating sales copy for landing pages and funnels, you gain one of the most highly paid skills on the internet. Your ability to turn traffic into clients is a golden asset that can be monetized in two ways. First way, selling your services. You can offer your services for creating sales copy on freelance platforms or directly to clients. Since AI significantly speeds up your work, you can take on more projects. With neural networks, you can create a landing page in one day instead of a week, which will allow you to take on more clients. Set a higher price. You are not selling your time, but the result, text that brings the client money. Therefore, your price should reflect the value you create. Example, you can offer a client a turnkey landing page package that includes audience analysis, writing all the texts, and creating several versions of calls to action. Second way, starting your own business. These skills are necessary for launching and scaling your own business. You can use AI to sell digital products, create an online course, a guide, or a template, and then use AI to create a sales-driven landing page and a sales funnel. Attract clients for your freelance services. Create a landing page that will sell your services and set up a simple sales funnel to turn visitors into clients. Conclusion. AI-powered copywriting for sales is one of the most important skills in your arsenal. It allows you not just to create text, but to build effective systems that attract clients and generate income.